Hello, this is a small drum filter, 5 m³ for 1 hour. Yeah, this for customer from England. Yeah, open lid. You can see install mesh, nozzles, pump install already, and control box. Now I yes, have power. Now open, have light. Okay, turn left. You can see work motor reductor. Everything okay. Next, turn right. You listen work pump and motor reductor together. Yeah. Next, he must stay every time in middle. This is automatical mode. Now I show how he works. When water level up, he touch and turn on sensor, and all system open. You listen, pump work and motor reductor work, and this time he clean all mesh and everything dirty come to this place and go outside. Yeah, I check again. Okay. Yeah, everything work. And this for close everything like this here, easy, and close this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This for water, not go outside. Everything stay inside drum. Yeah. And only motor and okay, everything work. And when he come, you connect this for stock for clean water and connection your pipe what you need. On this place need put water after your water pool, for he go inside minimum 5 centimeter deep, and he come inside drum and cleaner. When water clean already, he come out this one pipe and this second. Yes, you can use two together or just one. Okay, thank you for looking.